Whoops! Didn't mean to do that, dudes. I did not mean to do that. What the fudge is this place? Chinese old man, okay. Hello there, son. I'm searching the process of making medicine by mixing like rose water with various unusual compounds. Perhaps you meet old lady from a potion shop. She like a student of mine. Ho ho ho! Potion shop? You look a lot like a Skulltula. Honestly, no offense. Creepy Asian Chinese place. There's stuff down here. That's all I know. Do I just see you on again? If I had been watching you, you dove 3 meters just now, but I wouldn't call that a real dive. So, how do I dive further? Scary! Okay. So I still have to look for, the royal messenger. I don't have my card anymore. Is there a place I can rent out my fishing rods? Hey, hello! Would you like to rent the fishing rod? Only $5. Oh, sure. Walk up to the water's edge and proceed to look at the fish. While looking at a fish, you can cast your line with B. Press A to break the line. Okay. I don't know what's going on. He's saying something's going too fast. I don't know why. Whoops. Dang it. Did you set the hook by pressing A? Press the A and... This is not what they taught me in Suritama. Come on! Come on! Come on! I almost got you! Almost got you! Almost, come on! No! No! Come back! 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 No! Come back! Come back! No! No! Come on! Come on! Come on! No! You're getting! You're coming with me! No! Come on! Come back! Come back! Come on! Yeah! Come on! You can do it! Come on! I can fish! This is just like a Suritama, except it looks crazy. Oh god! Oh, why is it so difficult? Oh god, fishing is so intense. No. Okay, come on. Did you see me right now, Mexican guy? Oh god. Oh my god. This is freaking difficult. Come on. Yeah, you go back to go in the air, and then you cannot go anywhere. Come on. That's why this is so hard. Oh gosh, you get that. God, it's gonna take a year or two. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, no. Come on. Jesus Christ, man. You make this any more difficult. No. God dang, this lion is strong. Come on. I am manually pressing things right now. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ, this is so freaking stupid fish. Die already. Why are you still alive? Ah, this is worse than a boss battle, man. God. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, just like in... Come on. Oh my god, why is this thing not going well? Oh, I'm gonna break my controller. Come on, I got this controller this year, man. I will drag you across the seafloor if I have to. Come on. Oh god. Oh, my fingers hurt. That was way too far. Come to me, fishy. Bite the thing, fishies! Come on. No. You're not doing this, Amazon. God damn, you're not doing this again. No. Ah, God. Come on. Shore. Come on, just get into the shore. Just get into the shallow. Oh, god dang it. This fishing business is crazy. Come on, you can do this, it'll be a lot better, Come on. You can do it. Don't be discouraged, that's what the... This is so intense. Come on! God dang it. Okay, fishing is getting really addicting now. You see why they love this so much in Suritama. Get the bait. Bait. It's calling. Yeah, it didn't work out very well. Landfish! What do you want, freaking fool? Yeah, I'll be on that fishy for now. Let me try one more time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, come on, come on, come on, you can do it, 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 you can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on! You really link, 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 link. Come on, you do it, link. God, God, God dang it! Come on, freaking fish! Come on! Come on! I don't know what I'm pressing right here. Come on! Suffocate from lack of water. Okay. Whew. Shut up, Navi. Ooh. Stuff is intense, man. Yo, boy, sir. Shucks. You want to try another lure? What are you talking about? Are you so selfish? Don't you know the old saying, a great fisherman never chooses his own lure? I don't know what that means, but okay. What do you say about... Hey, hey! You can't take the rod out of here! When you quit fishing, return the rod to the counter. I'm serious! Okay. Oh, whoops. Oh, here we go. Passionate alone won't catch you many fish. I'm serious! You're steady also. Okay. That should be enough for today. That was intense exercise right there, god dang it. God giggity noodles.